happened, man. To tell the truth, the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth. Now look at his corporate over there. Look at his corporate over there. Look at her. She's smiling. She already know what it is.
You don't see no leg pressure in no mama. Like I've been halfway strangled. No blue mark, no black mark. So
who said you got this strangled?
The truth is already there.
Hey. Okay, so what are you saying? Now they say it now.
Hey.
They said, Miss McCall, they said Miss jumped on you, put her legs around your neck, and they had to run you to the daggone hospital. You understand me? They say your little heart about ready to jump out of your chest.
I went to motherfucking pool liner tonight.
Welcome. Welcome, YouTube. Appreciate you guys dialing back into the channel. Today I got a Nissan Altima. I know y'all guys said I'm getting plenty of Altimas and 05 models, but this happened to be a 2015 Nissan Altima that has a code 420. I think I said something about that previously on one of my videos about the 420 codes. But today we're going to go ahead and we're going to put a Catalytic converter in this Nissan Altima. I had already, let me see if I can get it down there a little bit better for you guys. I had already got the pack on and off, which is right here. It came in. I told you I was going to order it online and save the customer a little money, and that way I can make a little bit more money. You know what I mean? Because the less the parts cost, a little more I can make, and the customer is happy. So that's how that works. So what I already done is I already disassembled it. I already put it back on. The wind is blowing a little bit out here, so I'm gonna kind of give you guys some steps on how this thing works. Up underneath the cover, you have 14 millimeter bolts to the exhaust. Okay, those 14 millimeter bolts to the exhaust, you take off all 5 of them. Then you have to remove your water outlet, which is here. Your cooling jug. You'll take the alternator bolt off here and the alternator bolt off back here at the back, because you need that to swing over, because you got a bolt. You got a bolt down underneath here that is going to have to be removed. And then you have to come down to the bottom. You take your belt off, of course, because you got to take the alternator off, so don't get those steps mixed up. Then up underneath this bottom, right here, you'll take those 2 nuts off for your exhaust pipe. This is the end of the Catalytic converter, okay? I already got the wrenches low down here. My man Charles like these things down real low. I can't stand it. And after you take that off, then you can remove your Catalytic converter. Don't forget about your O2 sensor, which is right here. Okay, you got one here and you got one after the Catalytic converter down on the pipe. So you're taking the alternator off, you're taking the cover off, and then you're taking the 5 14 millimeter bolts off. Of course, all your duct work that's up here in the front, down here, that comes off as well. Okay, so this is a picture of how the Catalytic converter looks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 bolts I told you guys about. The O2 sensor and your exhaust bolts. This stud here is for a bracket to hold the Catalytic converter in place. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to get ready to start assembling the rest of it, and I'm going to bring you along for the ride. Okay, the first thing I'm doing, I got this up out my way. Of course, I'm going to bring this back around here so I can get down here to my alternator bolts. Yeah, a little higher and a little further down, okay? Lock you in right in there. Okay. This is the boat I'm trying to bring in right here. Trying to get started. I have to maneuver that a little bit. My 14. I just run it up a little bit. I don't want it all the way tight. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right there, so I can go ahead and get the alternator secured. Once I get this one started, I'll go back to the other one and lock that one in. Okay. See, I got it locked in like this here. I'm gonna take, lock it in. That's asking for extension, which is here. Got that locked in. Okay. Now that I got that locked in, I got this secure, I can go ahead and bring my daggone air jug back. I mean, my water jug. I keep calling this thing the air jug. My cooling jug back out the way. I'm not going to set it back down in this housing just yet because I got to put the belt on. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plug my alternator up. Okay. And start assembling my brackets and things that goes here on this part here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of all that because you got a ground wire that goes here. Just like you see here. But I got a couple of brackets that I need to put up here. So I'm going to bring you guys back on when I get these little small items like I'm telling you about all taken care of. I'll bring you guys back online. So hang tight. Okay guys, I'm back. Picking up where we left off at. You got a ground wire here. You can go ahead and tighten that down. I like to bring it over this way. And that'll be something like a 10. And make sure you get that bad boy snugged in too, okay? Because you know, it's a ground. It grounds the system. It helps grounds the system. Okay, got that down. All the rest of it is the air box cover here, like that. I done took care of everything here up top. All that is taken up top. Now I'm putting your air duct back on. And I got the 3 bolts down on the bottom. Well, actually 4. The one for the bracket. And the other one for the other 3 for the exhaust pipe. And then this job will be done. So, if you got, you know, you put your belt on. Like I said, the belt gonna be last. Then you can put this back down in its correct place. It'll go down right in here. Turn it the right way. Yeah, go down in there. Like so, because it slides right here on this thing, on this back rivet right here. Slides right here on this metal clamp. It slides down there, but I'm waiting to last to put that on because I still got to put my belt on, okay? So if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button first of all, because I need you guys to subscribe, like, and share this OG Triple. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and give me a thumbs up, man. Till next time.